Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM and micro SD. This prevents data loss and short circuits. Once done, warm the screen edges with a hair dryer or heat pad to soften adhesive so you can lift the glass without cracking internal components. Use a suction cup and plastic pick to create a small gap, then slide separation tools around the frame. Keep screws organized in a tray so you know where each one belongs as you remove the back or bezel. Next, you disconnect the battery connector immediately to eliminate live voltage while you work. Carefully lift metal shields and unscrew the midframe, then unclip the display and digitizer flex cables using a plastic pry tool so you don't bend pins. Once separated, inspect the flex cables, connectors, and nearby components for burns, corrosion, or torn traces, because the issue may be damaged wiring rather than the glass. If connectors look dirty, clean them with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. To finish, you reattach the digitizer and display connectors, reconnect the battery, and temporarily power the phone to test touch response and display uniformity before sealing. Make sure the screen functions across edges and that proximity and light sensors behave correctly. If everything works, apply fresh adhesive and reassemble the frame. If problems remain, reseat connectors and retest. If still failing, swap in a known good screen or check voltage on power rails. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals whether the panel or the board.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.